All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I told you I'd be putting an ECS tuning intake on my car, and here it is. So let's unbox it and check it out, see what it looks like before I put it on the car. All right, well, there was a box inside of the box packed in. Let's get everything out of it, and I'll show you just everything laid out. All right, there is the box, and then the other box, and then everything you get outside of the box. You know, they give you complimentary those if you use them. And then here's all the parts. Let me get everything unwrapped. This is the Luft-Technik kit from ECS Tuning. And here we have it. Everything unwrapped. The powder coating is not too shabby. Everything is pop riveted, but not too shabby. I don't have any complaints, but nothing, you know, overly impressive at the same time. And then this has the plate on it. And then there's the filter with the clamp and the adapter to go onto the intake tube. And then those are just some grommets for the edges of the heat shield, I'm sure, and then all the hardware included. And that's everything. All right, let's get this thing on and hopefully get her on the road soon and see how she performs and how she sounds. All right, guys, well, I've started the install. I would have showed you before, you know, but there's been plenty of footage of my stock engine bay, and you can see what a stock engine bay looks like. But here's a reason to always check. We got the stock airbox out. It just really pops right out. It really wasn't hard at all. There's all the junk that was in it and all the junk that was on my air filter. Wow, I should have looked at that. I didn't think it was going to be that bad. The car only has 35K on it when I got it, and I thought it was replaced at least once. Guess not. Just remind you always never to expect anything. Always just double check. All right, let's get this new intake in and see what it looks like. All right, guys, and there you have it. She is all installed. That trash is gone. I can't believe I drove a couple thousand miles like that. But let's take a closer look. So you get rid of the intake tube and the ram air scoop. The ram air scoop would be normally right where this thing is, but you got this that says ECS Tuning, Luft-Technik. And then here's that large area. You see the grommet there. There's two grommets down there that it just pops into. And then there's this right here, a grommet with a screw that holds it in place. It's pretty solid. The only thing I don't like is I'm a avid car washer. I car wash my car a lot. Give it a nice good old bath, and with it spraying, you know, into the grill where it would normally get rammed air, it's gonna hit that, you know. So I'm definitely gonna check the filter after a car wash and see if it's wet or anything. But it comes with all the grommets. I just had to install that grommet on the top. A lot of the bolts, nuts, and washers. There is definitely some assembly required. It took me a good little hour to put that in there. But let's see what it sounds like, and I hope this helped you guys. Give me some comments. What other kind of videos do you want me to do? I'm obviously going to go to the racetrack and see what my times are better. Maybe if I hear any better intake noises, I will take a in the cabin video. But like I said, talk to me in the comments, people. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you think. Hopefully soon I can afford the, you know, carbon fiber APR intake. But for now, this will have to do. It's better than that. All right, guys, on to the next one.